My name's Autumn Huse, or Tum the Creator on my socials. It's been great. I got to meet a lot of new people, which I love. There's a lot of new addition of sets to shoot at. There was great food, and we have a unicorn this year, so who doesn't love that? I honestly just will come back year after year as long as Alice will have me, because this has been the best photography event I've been to last year and this year, and I think that it has only been improved, and I know that it will continue to improve. And I love that Alice looks out for us. That's awesome. The weather's been beautiful. I personally like it hot, so the first day was ideal for me. It's a little windy for me right now, but still wonderful and beautiful. I did eat a little bit yesterday. I don't tend to eat a lot when I'm shooting, but it was very good. I have not ridden on him yet. I'm hoping to do a shoot with him today. I have a lion warrior costume, so maybe we'll check out Odin for that one. I think my favorite part about Muses in Wonderland is that it feels like one big family. Like everybody from last year has kept in touch, and then now our family has grown this year, so that's awesome. Queen of Hearts, yeah, there is a Alice in Wonderland setup this year, and I'm definitely trying to utilize that. I did a Mad Hatter on the first day, and then of course I have to do the Queen of Hearts also. If you guys would like to see more of my work from Muses in Wonderland or otherwise, I mostly use Instagram, so you can find me at Tum the Creator, T-U-M, the Creator. Yeah, I do a lot of cosplay stuff and glamour and beauty and just a wide variety of modeling, so feel free to check it out.